Howdy, I'm Timothy Crook, a student member and a member of the Young Members Group. I'm hosting a short webinar to introduce you to ANS Collaborate and demonstrate some of its key features. Let's start with the ANS homepage. To sign in to Collaborate, go to Membership and down to ANS Collaborate. As a member of ANS and its divisions, you've been automatically enrolled in your division's pages. However, in order to activate your participation in ANS Collaborate, you must sign in using your ANS logon and agree to the user rules and guidelines. So let's sign in. Now let's look at your profile. This is in the top right-hand corner of the page. On your profile, you can manage your biography, education, and career information. You can also add links to social media, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. My Connections has a convenient link to your contacts, networks, mentoring, and other groups, but we'll cover that in a bit. My Contributions allows you to track your involvement in Collaborate. Let's look at My Account before we move on. My Account has settings for privacy, which includes who can view your participation on Collaborate. These categories break down into public, my contacts, ANS members, and only me. Also, you can set your email preferences here, which include notification opt-outs and group-specific opt-outs. This allows you to decide how often Collaborate notifies you by email of activity. Now let's go back to the Collaborate homepage. Notice the summary of activity. Here you can find the latest discussions, upcoming events, and recent shared files. This will look different depending on what divisions you're involved in. So as you can see, my stuff has mostly to do with students and operations and power division. Now let's go to the top of the navbar and walk through things. As I mentioned earlier, let's look at groups. So groups breaks down into my groups and all groups. Notice my groups includes thermal hydraulics, young members, students, and operations and power, as well as mentoring. This will all again be customized based on your membership in the ANS. In the future, you'll be able to look at all groups and sign up for groups which are not automatically signed up for. But for now, it's a little limited. As you can see, I'm signed up for all available groups. Now let's look at the network. The network acts as a great directory for members, particularly if you're trying to find by division. Even better, you can use advanced search. For example, you can find just members of the ANS who are active military. Now you select it, you can find members. You can see here are all the ANS members who are members of the active military. There are a ton of customization options, so you can find pretty specific people, even if you don't know their names or email addresses. Next, let's look at events. This currently just includes the Nuclear Nonproliferation Technology and Policy Conference, but in the future will include all meetings. Next, let's get Browse. Browse falls into discussion posts and library entries. This allows you to view recent discussions across all groups, as well as respond to or start a new posting. You can post a new message here, or you can go to the Participate thread, where you can post a message or share a file. Let's practice posting a message. As you can see, all you have to do is select the discussion group from one of your divisions. You can cross-post it to the other divisions, include your name, the subject, and the description. You can use rich text format, so you can basically paste a Word document in here. Don't forget to include a signature line. You can also share a file through here. Next, let's look at Mentor Match. Here you can sign up to be a mentor or mentee. The easiest way to handle it is just go to instructions and frequently asked questions. This is a full guide to the mentor process from both sides. Hope you find ANS Collaborate valuable and hope you enjoy using it. If you have any problems or concerns, contact ANS at members.ans.org. Thank you.